Leetcode daily challenge. It is medium problem 1590. Make sum divisible by p. This is a prefix sum problem. We're gonna calculate the prefix sum first. So this problem, if we can see the total, the sum of this array is 10, and 10 modulo 6 is 4. This problem is actually asking us to find out the smallest subarray with the sum of 4. How we can find that? First, we can calculate the prefix sum. Say this prefix sum for this example will be 3, 4, 8, and 10. With this prefix sum, we can easily get the sum of any subarray by calculating the difference between the two prefix sum. Say for example, 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 is the total sum of this subarray. If we can find this subarray out, that will be our final result. We can see this prefix sum 8 minus 4 is exactly what we are looking for. And we also have another one, say 4 minus the initial prefix, which is 0, is also 4. All we have to do is just we go through all these possible answers to find out the shortest subarray length. 8 minus 4 is 4, which is, we can vice versa, we can also use this prefix sum minus this remainder. In if 8 minus this remainder is also 4. If we have seen 4 before, that means this number we already have it, and that is a candidate subarray. That's how we find out all the subarray. We can record this prefix in the dict, and along the calculation of this prefix sum, we can compare it with in the dict if it has been seen before. That's the approach how we resolve this problem.